Hello, I'm in a 2012 Kia Rio, and today I'm going to show you to adjust your display settings between English, Spanish, and French. So first make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and that your radio's on, which this is. And then we'll go to Setup, and then Systems 4, so 4. And then for the language, we'll scroll down and select. And then here, now we can pick between French, English, or Spanish. So let's say we want Spanish. In just a moment, it'll auto change everything. That's it, so it's all in Spanish now. Obviously I speak English, so I'm going to reset it back to English. So setup, Sistema, Idioma, and then English. That's it. Now it'll reboot all in English, as you can see here. So I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.